And then the last one is full automation. Full automation says you can set up to do whatever you want. If you haven't seen the videos yet or don't realize this, like if you want if you have something specific, whether it be sports or stocks or your industry that you wanted the most up-to-date news on, you can set up chat or Claude or whoever you like to go and check the news articles and at 6 a.m. every day in an email, structured the way you like, have it show up with all the links to the latest news and narrow it down to the three most important. As just one example, you want it to automatically, if you don't know this, if you're on Google and if you're on Google with your calendar, you can open up Gemini app on your phone and say, schedule me an appointment for 3 p.m. with Rob and Claudia, send out invites. And it will do it right now. You don't have to do anything. Just open up Gemini on your phone and try it. If you have Google Calendar and you connect the two, that's just some real basic stuff. I share these things randomly with you because I really want to encourage you. It's overwhelming because there's so much to learn right now. There's so much to learn, and it's evolving 10x per week, per month. But here's the things. You don't need to know all of it. You need to pick because the goal here is not to learn AI. The goal is to take and harness AI to where it's helping duplicate you, hopefully 10x eventually, but in the beginning, at least 2, 3, 4x now in your business. How are you making money with it? How are you duplicating yourself with it? That's the goal right now. So if you know, it's like drinking from a hot fire hose, no question about it. But I will tell you, all you need to know is what you need to know. Leave it up to people like myself and your other mentors and Dave Lindahl, because he's obviously very plugged in because now he's teaching it, right? I'll be teaching it as well. I'm out there in the marketplace going through the tools that I think are reputable enough, because my mentors have done that for me, to learn the stuff to see if it's something I can use for my business. I want things that I can learn from that make me money. I don't want things that are, well, the things that are just entertainment, I want to keep in their department, right? When I'm ready for entertainment, when I'm ready to use them and have fun with them, I will, but it's not at 2 o'clock in the afternoon distracting me from what I'm supposed to be doing, right? So that's important too. But you literally could say into your phone in Telegram, I need a video that covers blank, and I would like it to be 30 seconds long. I would like it to be in my tone because you've already taught it your tone. It knows your voice. You've got an AI duplicate of yourself because you've cloned yourself, and you can put the script in, you can talk the script in, and it will go through N8N through about 6 different steps, and it will post the video for you on Instagram. It's literally that far advanced, guys. You don't have to learn how to do it. You could pay someone to do it. You find somebody on Upwork to do it for you, but it's already there. This isn't the future. That's now. So